I'm going to show you how to make San Sebastian's cheesecake, Basque Burnt Cheesecake, tarta de queso, whatever you want to call it, but it is a crowd pleaser. It is, I kid you not, like eating clouds of love. So many people from all over the world come just to try this amazing cheesecake. It's super simple, it's super delicious, you're gonna love it. Basically you need 1 kilo of cream cheese, 500 milliliters of heavy cream, 300 grams of sugar, 7 eggs, a little bit of salt, just a pinch, 20 grams of flour. The first thing you need is your mold. This one is the 24 centimeter one. Then you need your parchment paper. You need to make it really wet. I've done 2 pieces because you want to cover all of the borders. Take care of the pleats. The pleats are basically what gives this cheesecake the rustic look. So once you have your mold ready, what you want to do is you want to mix your cheese with the sugar. You can mix this in a machine or you can do it by hand.
And then you want to add just a pinch of really good salt. And then the eggs. You want to put these in one by one.
Once you've done the eggs one at a time, you want to add the 500 milliliters of heavy cream. And then you just start incorporating it.
And finally, you want to do the flour. Just gently fold it in.
And then you just pour the whole mixture in. If you want to get that really runny center and that really brown, burntish look outside, we're going to keep the oven really high, 230. We're going to put it in for 15 minutes. And then we're going to turn the oven off.
And keep the cheesecake in with the oven turned off.
So don't be scared by the burnt look it might have. This is exactly what it's supposed to look like. And when you take it out of the oven, it should definitely have this jiggle, which you'd usually say, it's raw, don't worry. It has to be this jiggly. Now you want to let this sit for at least 5 hours, ideally a whole night.
24 hours have gone by. Let's see how it looks. Okay, give it a try. Yes. Oh my gosh.
So this is exactly what you want. You want to have both textures, the one that's super creamy and then the one that's sort of more cooked on the outside.
You know that saying that you should fall in love with someone that makes you feel as excited as when you see your food coming out at a restaurant? If you ever meet someone that makes you as happy as this cheesecake, he or she is a keeper.